Login loop error on MarketFinance Fix. Login loop error on MarketFinance Fix. If you keep entering your MarketFinance credentials only to be sent right back to the login screen, don't panic, this is a common issue. Most people get this wrong, but here's why it happens. It's rarely a problem with your username or password. The real culprit is usually cached data, browser cookies, or outdated app tokens that confuse the login system. To fix it, start by closing the app or browser completely. Then clear cache and cookies. On desktop, go to your browser settings, open privacy or history, and clear cookies and cached images. On mobile, go into your phone settings, locate the MarketFinance app, and clear its data and cache. Next, check for updates. Head to your app store and see if there's a newer version of MarketFinance. Developers often patch login issues in updates, so installing the latest version is key. If the problem continues, switch your network. Try turning off Wi-Fi and using mobile data or the other way around. Some Wi-Fi networks, especially corporate ones, can block secure login requests. Another quick tip, make sure your device's date and time are set to automatic. If your clock is even a few minutes off, authentication tokens can fail, forcing the system to restart the login cycle. Once you've cleared the cache, updated the app, and fixed your connection, restart your phone or browser and log in again, manually typing your credentials instead of using autofill. You should now be able to access your MarketFinance account normally. So, the next time you face that annoying login loop, don't stress. It's not your account, and it's not you. It's usually just old data or a simple sync issue. Fix that, and you'll be back to managing your business funding smoothly in minutes.